Here is a little trip in the jungle, in the forest. And here is my mom. I'm just recording. It's raining. Rainforest. Slows raining. Yeah. Oh.
Stoppar in min emellan.
Det är tål i vatten. Det är bra, då kan jag ta kort.
Du stoppade ner den laddaren.
Här ligger den där svarta.
Ja.
Men inte resväska, men...
Nej,
tack här.
Oj, gå på sidan där.
Okay everyone, so just would like to show you this one here. So I guess some of you have seen this before, but anyway I show it again. So this one here, you see the one with the spike here? So this is rattan.
What?
Rattan. This is the one that you use for making furniture.
Rotting säger vi på svenska.
For caning in school. So this is the one.
De med taggarna, så det är det jag berättar att de fortfarande har spöstraff hur man lär sig. Ni kan ju tänka er att det gör nog ganska ont.
I'm good. I'm learning how to get this one. So anyway, when the rattan is still young, you can see they are all covered with these long, sharp spikes like this. But when they grow, the spike, the skin will peel off. So it becomes the smooth, like the rattan that they make for making furniture. So the lifespan, I mean the average maturity age for rattan is between 7 to 8 years. So you let them for about 17, 18 years, they can be 1 kilometer long, no problem. Because that's what they have the spike for. They can hook and climb.